Okay, we have a Mini Cooper in today for our hood clean and reproof. It comes with a special offer on the exterior. It also is having the drain flush and the clean and cry tops of all the rubbers. So let's just have a quick look round. The roof looks really dirty. As we can see, we've got a load of pollen spots on there, and a load of dirt obviously in the grooves where it commonly forms. Coming around to the back of the roof, we've got a little bit of this, the plastic which comes off, which is quite common, so we have to be quite careful around there. Lovely, and we've got obviously all the dirt marks in the back where it catches it. Okay, and the Crytoxin on the rubbers we will be doing all of these rubbers here, so it creates a nice seal, and as well as obviously all the roof ones as well, and the door ones. But it needs a good old clean, and then we can see what we can make it look like. Okay, stay tuned for the next video. There we go, we have one nice shiny Mini with the hood clean and reproof been done. It's got the 2-year nano protection, it's had the Crytox of all the rubbers, and it's had the drain flush, and it had the special offer on the exterior wax. So as we can see there, it looks absolutely beautiful. And if we just look up on the roof, so there's no spots of mould or anything like that at all, and it's now got its protection coat on as well, so it will stay like that for the minimum of 2 years. So I think the customer's going to be very happy, over the moon. The only downfall is this little bit of plastic here, but the customer's going to sort that one out. But other than that, the car looks amazing. So I'm ready to go out and enjoy again. Lovely.